All right, people, we got a major update. I know, she's been down for my entire summer break, so that was nice. I didn't get to enjoy the summer, but it's fine. Life of a project car. Just keep chugging along. A lot of big things change around here. This is an alternator off an FD RX-7. Well, this is some O'Reilly thing, but it's made for an FD. Puts out 10 more amps than the stock FC alternator, so that's why I put it in, because I'm changing to electric fan and you can see down there, electric water pump. So yeah, buffing up the electrical system a bit. Currently testing things out. I've got the water pump and fan controller almost completely wired up. Just I need to find an ignition source, and I was gonna do that, but when I connected the battery, saw a huge spark, and it's like, oh, that's a little bad. My main fuse, which is no longer here, it blew up, it gone. So when I went in the car to try to start things up, nothing. The door lights turned on, and that was it. Just door lights, nothing at all. Fuel level still shows halfway from a month ago, so that's funny. Because I think it just goes like last read or whatnot. But just to show that it works, I've got the ignition switch wire for the fan controller here, and so you hear it doing its thing, little thing here. It's flashing there. And, well, it did bubble up a little bit. But I filled it earlier, so I got most of the initial bubbles out. Probably gonna have to bleed this for like 10 minutes, or if I get this running soon, which hopefully I get it running tomorrow, but that's a big hopefully. See, we got the Bonsai Racing double belt pulley here because we took out the belt-driven water pump. Took out the air pump. It is currently right here amongst all the junk. So it's gonna run like dog shit a little bit. Because the ports back there, basically Mazda's version of VTEC for the rotary, they're no longer working. But it is what it is. I'm switching to standalone next time I get major time to work on it, so probably in the winter. So I'm switching to standalone, so I'll be able to tune that problem out for the most part. But yeah, it's running through its little diagnostic thing. Now, normally this should be mounted inside the cabinet, or whatever you want to call it, driver's cab. I don't care. It's going there. So, yeah. But that's a small update. In a little bit, the fan's going to start up. And I did not... This is the first time I heard this fan, so when it first fired up, I had no idea it was going to be as loud as it was. There it is! Louder than I thought. Hopefully it moves a lot of air. And you can see the diagnostic lights on, saying low temp. That's because the car is off. Yeah. The cooling system works, but the car doesn't. Fucking mid.